Ferrari 458. Damn.
That's a familiar face.
Look at that.
Bro.
You guys are making me look bad on my own channel. What are you guys on?
What's up, dude?
Yo, dude. It's like almost 600 horses. Damn.
You know what's the best part about this car?
What's up? Getting out, rolling out, huh? Dude, what is up? How have you guys been?
What up, bro?
Chilling, man, chilling. Guys, shout out right here, Never Stock, one of the original channels that came on to ScattyVlogs before we got to where we are now. But, bro, it's good to see y'all. What you guys been up to, man?
Dude, raising kids, dude.
Dude, you said,
hat,
yeah, the hat. You already know what it is. 426, always showing love to the Mopars over here.
Oh, we got one in a crate.
Yeah, you guys got the elephant crate, right? Is that already in a car, or are you guys still working on it?
We're still working on it.
Oh my gosh.
I know.
But what's the plan with it though? What do you guys gonna like end up tracking the car, or?
Honestly, I think it's just gonna be a fun street car.
Because you guys said you're putting it in a 71, right?
71, yeah.
71 Charger?
71 Duster.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Speaking of Dusters, I almost traded for a Duster when I had my 68.
Did you really?
Yeah, I didn't end up doing it, and I ended up keeping the Mustang.
Oh,
but yeah. But man, aside from the Mopar, dude, this right here, this is crazy cool. So when you guys said a Ferrari, I was thinking red. I was like, it's gonna be red no matter what. But
we didn't look good to go to LA, you know?
yeah, you said you said Scatty, you travel enough, bro. Like
right.
stay in town and get some
back,
stuff.
bro.
Oh, like Evan did say, these are aftermarket wheels. You guys see the Ferrari on the calipers right there. Now the sick part. Let's look at the interior, y'all. Damn. Over there, the emblem 458 Italia. Look at that right there, guys. Insane POV. Floor mats right here. Dude, how much fun do you have with this thing, bro?
It's fun, man.
Dude, I can't.
We'll see.
Oh, hell yeah.
I think the best part is the sound.
Dude.
No.
No exhaust sounds like a Ferrari exhaust, bro. It's always a good one. Let's hear this puppy, dude. With the tri-tips in the back. Jesus. That thing sounds insane.
Sounds alright.
He said it's just a little something, huh? Since we are back with Never Stock to get some more content together, I will plug all their info in the description, and I'll put their name right here so you guys can go show some love and get them as much subs as we can. They just hit right over 1,000. Huge milestone, huge milestone. Nothing but love, and I respect all that they do. So I'm super happy to be out here with them again. All of us are real busy, so we're always out doing our own things. But today I was out mowing the lawn, and they called me and they're like, hey man, we're gonna bring out the Ferrari. I said, say no more, this lawn could get finished later. You guys let me know where to pull up, and we linked up. So first we're gonna do is I'm gonna get in the Scat Pack, and then Brandon is gonna come with me so he can get some rollers of Evan in the Ferrari. And then after that, I'm gonna jump in the Ferrari so I get a POV of a passenger ride along. And then Brandon is gonna drive the Scat. Now, not a lot of people drive my Scat Pack, only because I'm not around a lot of, I'm around a lot of car people, but I'm not to the point where it's like, okay, let's switch cars. But I'm gonna let Brandon get in the Scat Pack. He was like, all right, cool, let's guess. There's nothing to it. It's just a regular Scat Pack, no tune. Maybe a little bit of BOOSTane in there, but nothing too crazy, you know? So, like I was telling them, this is like one of the first 458 Italias on the channel that we're gonna be getting a full vlog about. So, y'all stay tuned, it's gonna be a good one. Dude, you gotta hit like, it's not a real vlog unless you hit like 175. Like, honestly.
All right, I'm gonna walk now. All right, I'm riding the Scats.
Let's hit it.
Let's go. First time in this car. Here we go.
Man,
What up, bro?
Glad I cleaned it. All right, chill.
What up, bro?
Oh, you know, just another daily day.
Let's go.
Day in the life of car people.
Oh, that's got a little rumble to it.
All right.
Let's go.
All right, let's hit it.
Dude,
let's hit
you are about to. You rode in those McLarens.
To shit myself.
You rode in those McLarens though.
Oh, yeah, I rode in the McLarens.
Similar.
So I've been in a couple McLarens. I've been in damn, what are some other cars that I've been in? Because sometimes, dude, I'm just so like focused on the content, it sucks
Yep.
where I can't even like
Experience it?
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? But that's just the car. That's just the car scene, you know?
So the thing about this one, have you ever been in a Ferrari?
No, dude, I don't
So this
think
one
I have.
revs to like 8,800 redline or something, 8,600 redline.
Jesus.
So it'll scream, bro. You'll see. It's nasty.
Damn, dude, I cannot wait to hear that on the road, dude. It's gonna sound like a monster.
I haven't heard it from the outside yet.
Oh, so this is like a first
First moment.
Hell yeah. Yeah, you know, these roads, they're clear too, so they're gonna be good.
Oh yeah.
Oh boy.
I can't wait to hear this thing from the outside.
Oh my god.
I'm not saying it makes the Scat look like it's sitting still, but
No, I'm full throttle. I'm full throttle.
what do you think?
I love it, dude. I love that. What's next?
You guys want to switch so you can get some footage?
I'm down. Do you want to do what do we want to drive to Scat?
Sure.
You're gonna drive to Scat, dude?
Let's go, bro.
What?
I ain't scared. Come on now.
He said, I'll be fine. All right, y'all. I'm about to hop in the Ferrari.
Bro,
I'm letting it
from the outside.
I'm letting Brandon take the beater. Let me get my phone. Yo. Y'all check out that. Dude, it sounded crazy from the outside. Especially when the exhaust was like right next to the passenger.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, oh my
Oh,
god.
man, let's go.
Let's do it. All right,
Your
y'all.
keys are in your pocket.
Oh shit. All right, y'all. Hell yeah. Oh my god, dude. The floor mats, all of it, y'all. Oh yes.
What's up, dude?
Man. Dude, this is such a sick car, bro. Such a sick car. It'll be cool to see my Scat right here too.
Isn't it crazy? It's 12 years old.
This is a 2012?
Yeah.
Yeah, because the Italias and Specials came out in, or there's some in 2015 when they stopped, right?
Yeah.
I think that's when they stopped producing. Jeez, bro. The interior, all of it, bro.
Oh, look at this Challenger.
Oh, this Scat Pack right here is clean.
Oh, shit, dude. Oh, he's a YouTuber.
Oh, he's got to be good looking.
He's gotta be good looking.
Okay. Hell yeah. Oh my god. Jesus. Bro, the highest you've hit so far. You gotta tell me, what is it?
Not as high, 163.
Once, Jesus.
I mean, still.
Yeah, and I'm sure it got there a whole lot quicker than the Scat Pack would. I think I hit 167 in the Scat Pack one time. Yeah, and then at that, after 140, you're floating. You know, you're just going.
It's just different, bro. You know.
Oh my god, dude, this is crazy cool. The gears, man, they just slip right through. initial thoughts, man?
Dude, you know, it's the first Ferrari I ever drove too.
Gee.
Yeah, dude.
Well, you look like a pro. You look like a pro, dude.
Thanks, dude. It's fun, dude. It's like, it's just crisp. I can't explain it any other way than that.
It's just smooth, man. The gears, all of it. Oh, okay. I don't know. I think that's got you beat. Dude, when you were oh, look at that one.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's sick. Dude, you got it. Dude, oh, you guys got a 170 liter? Jesus. I like that. There you go. I gotta say, man, from a Ferrari POV, my car looks good in the back. From a Ferrari POV.
Right? Oh, who's this coming up on us? Camaro?
That's a Z01. That's for sure a Z01. I can tell by the front end.
Yeah. Oh, is he turning or what?
I hope not. Or he's probably gonna follow you guys back.
He can follow us too.
Oh shit, that was hot. Oh yeah, hit that. The Z01, hit that. Oh yeah. Oh jeez.
That's clean.
That is a clean ass Z01.
like that color.
I love that. Dude, the Z01 body styles just look so menacing. They just look angry all the
I got
time.
one coming in white.
For real?
Yes. It'll be here. I got mine manual.
Okay, so it's 8-speed or 6-speed.
6-speed.
Still a monster.
I don't know. Something about running the gears, you know?
Yeah, I feel you. I feel you. He says something about I want to drive the car.
I know, right?
I feel you.
I don't have to do it in here.
Dude, these paddles too,
Right?
man. Huge paddle shifters.
I know.
And then in all honesty, bro, out of a lot of those supercars that I have been in, this steering wheel looks just the nicest.
It does.
Like it's
dude.
got the color
looks,
scheme, the little bit of Alcantara.
Like it's ready to bite you.
Yeah, exactly. The carbon fiber is nasty too. Oh yeah.
Sounds like you're going a million miles an hour.
Dude, yeah, when you're
Doing
going
20.
literally under 20. Professional. Guys, look at this door handle right here. Oh yeah. All right, step out. Step out the Rari.
I don't blame you. You don't want to drive down again, you know?
Hella fun or what? Yeah, it's fun here and there.
Let's go.
I was telling Evan, I was like, dude, my car's never looked so good behind another car, you know?
Right.
Especially from a Ferrari.
Some drive-bys of your own car.
Hey, exactly. I was just telling him, I was like, dude, I'm excited to see the car rolling
That's
too.
what's hard, right?
Yeah.
It's like,
Hell
you make
yeah.
vlogs with your own whips in it, but
I'm always behind the wheel.
Too much if I do a couple little.
No, that's what it's about.
Hey, dude, you were hitting it in the scat too. I was hoping you would. I was like, I hope he doesn't think that I'll get mad if he hits it. And I was like, dude, hit that shit, man. Yo, this 458 Italia was absolutely insane. I myself didn't get any rollers while I was driving because I wanted to make sure that Brandon did have a good POV of the Ferrari on the passenger side, but he is going to share the footage with me, so I'll be able to have that as well. But y'all, look at that, man. Interior, all of it. Such a beast of a car. And if you guys want to see more of this crazy footage and more crazy cars to come, you guys already know who to subscribe to. Shout out to Neverstock. Show them all the love. These guys get down, man. Like I said,
YouTube, let's go.
hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah. Like I said, guys, when I first started the channel, these are some of the first two dudes that were like, dude, let's make content, let's get it down. Like, it was genuine, it was all love, and it's a blessing. It's a blessing to be able to do this content with people like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is not gonna be the last time that they're on here. It has been about 1.5 years since they've been on here, but this won't be the last, you know. Last time we'll give another year, we'll be back. But like I said, we're all busy doing our own things, but when we do find time, even if it's for what, 20 minutes,
I'll see what we come back
we do what we got to do. All right, you guys stay tuned. Again, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, comment, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys next video. All right.